there, baby. Let her open it up.
She's got it!
What's in it? Let's look. An Elmo and Zoe purse. Look at all that neat stuff. Some lotion for Tabitha. Wait, let her do it, baby. Let her look through it, okay? A little change purse where you keep your money. A pretend comb to comb your hair. A pretend lipstick for your lips. That's just a toy. A toy key for your car. Vroom, 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 vroom. And then look, some lipstick and to paint your nails. And some more lipstick.
Wow.
Yay. Tabby has the coolest purse. Let's put it all back in there and let's look at our next present. You want to open up your next present? You want to look at your next present? You got another one from Uncle Lee and Aunt Melissa. Oh, and Cousin Austin, you want to open up their present? Let's put this right here and you can open up their present, okay? Let's just put it right here off to the side. Good job. Okay, this is from Uncle Lee and Aunt Melissa and Cousin Austin. Okay, go ahead and open. That's just paper. You ready? It is a Barney toy.
So it has like little things, and you pop it down in there, like it's like different.
Oh, cool.
And then
And look, Tabby, another Barney laptop. Let Tabby look at her gifts first, and then we can ask her to share when we're done. Sure. Yeah. What do you think, Tabby? Say thank you, Cousin Austin. Thank